Hello everyone! So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make chicken korma. This recipe serves about 6 people. For this recipe you would need 1 whole chicken about 3.5 pounds, 1.5 medium-sized onion thinly sliced, 1 cup of yogurt, 2 teaspoons ginger paste, 2 teaspoons garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon chili powder, 1.25 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 8 to 10 black peppercorn, small stick of cinnamon, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, 5 to 6 green cardamom, 2 bay leaves, and optional is 5 to 6 cashews and 5 to 6 almonds, which are soaked and peeled. The first step is to marinate the chicken. To marinate the chicken, in a large bowl, add chicken, which is cut into small pieces, half of the yogurt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, salt, and coriander powder. Mix well and leave for 30 minutes or 1 hour in the refrigerator. Do cover the bowl. In a large pot, add oil, and onion. Fry until light brown on medium to high heat. Stir constantly. Take out onion of the oil and set aside. In the same pot, add the whole spices and fry for a few seconds on medium to high heat. Then add the marinated chicken and fry on medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes. While the chicken is cooking, in a blender or chopper, add cashews, onions, and the remainder of the yogurt. Some water, then puree it. Next, add the puree into the chicken and cook for another 7 to 8 minutes or until the chicken is tender. Next, add the sliced almonds into the chicken. This portion is optional. Add the cilantro, green chili, and ginger. Another optional item to add is garam masala. Cover and cook for a few seconds. Now your chicken korma is ready. You can enjoy this with plain naan or rogni naan. You can find the video in the description below or on the icon above. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.